Okay, here we go. Guys, my fucking cat, the fucking cat, he be taking these monster-sized shits. And not only that, he does this shit multiple times a day. This cat be taking some Goliath shit. And then it breaks off in his asshole and it gets into his fur. We gotta wipe his asshole down of all that shit. Jesus, is this a problem that I'm only going through, or are other cat owners facing the same hurdles? Now we gotta scoop his anus.
It's not that bad. Oh my god. It's not that bad.
We gotta fist that little nigga. Let me get a fist in the chat for fisting my damn kid. We gotta fist him to get the shit out of his ass. Because if we don't get that huge dung out, he's gonna just perch his little cat booty on any surface and completely bless it with his anal leakage.
Anal leakage. And yes, you heard me right. Anal leakage.
Intensifies